Hey guys, so here is this little helicopter. It's actually really cool. I love all the details to it. It feels like great quality, and it also lights up and makes a sound. So for the propellers, you can wind it up, but then when you release it, it'll go. That's pretty cool. You also have back here where you can twist this part, and then you also have right here where you're able to release and bring it up. So let's go ahead and put this on an edge, and then I'll have my son use his hand. Go ahead and lower it. Perfect, and then bring it back up. So it's pretty neat. And then the cool part is that you can actually lock it into place. You can lock this piece right here, and then it won't move. So you can unlock it and it'll move, and you can lock it and it won't move. So that's pretty cool. You can also fold up the propellers, which is really nice. Go. And then the doors open. And then inside it has some cute little chairs in there. And then in the back, which is really neat, it is like a rescue one where you can load them up. So yeah, definitely really cute. It feels great. I like it a lot. And then you hear the sound that it makes. So it's like just two sounds that it goes through. And then this piece also comes off. So yeah, definitely really cool. I like it a lot.